Let's play a game. Here are three baskets: red, yellow, green. As you can see, these baskets are spinning. Here comes a car. The car got into a basket. Can you tell me in which basket did the car go? I will give you 30 seconds to guess. The 30 seconds are now complete. Yes, the car was in the red basket. Did you guess it correctly? Good job.